we will discuss exercise 1.2 and the sum number 1 is identify the properties. And the first part is 8 over 11 into minus 3 over 5 equals to minus 3 over 5 into 8 over 11. You see, this is of the form A into B and B into A. Here only the order is changed. Okay? So this is commutative property of multiplication. Second part is minus 2 over 7 into 4 over 3 into 2 over 8. The bracket is in second and third term, and on the right hand side the bracket is in first and second term. And this is of the form A into B into C, A into B into C, and the sign is multiplication. So this is associative property of multiplication. And the third property is 3 over 4 into 1, 1 into 3 over 4 equal to 3 over 4. You know, when a rational number is multiplied by 1, we get the same number. So, this is the multiplicative identity. And the last one is, fourth sum part is 9 over 11 into 3 over 4 minus 2 over 6 equals to 9 over 11 into 3 over 4 minus 9 over 11 into 2 over 6. This is of the form A into B minus C equals to A into B minus A into C. Here the multiplication and subtraction, the two operations work together. So this is the distributive property. Distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Sum number 2 is verify closure and commutative property. And I will solve the part C, that is minus 4 over 11 and 22 over 33. Now let us take A minus 4 over 11 and B 22 over 33. According to the closure property of multiplication, A into B, I will get minus 4 over 11 into 22 over 33. You know, 11 2s are 22. Now I will do the multiplication, minus 4 into 2 and here 1 into 33 minus 8 over 33, which is a rational number. So, closure property is verified. Now next is commutative property. According to this property, A multiplied by B equals to B into A. Now I put the values in both sides and see the result is same in both sides or not. Now A is minus 4 over 11 and B is 22 over 33. Now I put here B is 22 over 33 and A is minus 4 over 11. Now do the calculation. 11 2s are minus 4 into 2 and here 1 into 33. On the right hand side, this is your left hand side beta and this is your right hand side. Okay. Again do the cutting. 11 2s are and do the multiplication. 2 into minus 4 and 33 into 1. You will see in the left hand side I will get 8 over 33. Again in the right hand side I will get 8 over 33. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence commutative property also verified. Sum number 3 is verify the property x into y into z equal to x into y into z. And the values are x equal to 2 over 3, y is equal to minus 3 over 7 and z equal to 1 over 2. Now I take the both sides, left hand side as well as right hand side, and the left hand side is x into y into z, and right hand side it is x into y into z. Now I put the values and see whether the both sides are equal or not. When I put x 2 over 3 here, y minus 3 over 7, 1 over 2. Now let us do the calculation. 2 over 3, you know, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 and 7 2 is a beta 14. Now again do the multiplication. 2 into minus 3 into 14. It is minus 6. Or you can do the cutting. 2 1s and 2 7s are 3 cancel out with cancel and I will get the answer minus 1 over 7. Right? On another side, when I put the values x equal to 2 over 3 and y is minus 3 over 7 and z is 1 over 2. Now do the calculation in the bracket first of all. 3 cancel out with 3. We will get minus 2 over 7 into 1 over 2. Again 2 cancel out with 2. Minus 1 here and 1 here. Minus 1 into 1 and here 7 into 1. I will get minus 1 over 7. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence this property is verified. Now this property is verified. Now what is the name of this property? Its second part is what is the name of this property? You everybody know this is the associative property of multiplication. Sum is write multiplicative inverse of following rational number. And the part B is minus 3 over 5. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal the number. So its multiplicative inverse is 5 over minus 3. Or you can simply write it, put the sign minus in front of the number and we can write it minus 5 over 3. What is the multiplicative inverse of 8 over minus 11? Its multiplicative inverse is minus 11 over 8. And third, last part is minus 4, minus 9. Minus minus cancel out and the term now is 4 over 9. So its multiplicative inverse is 9 over 4. One very important note beta, note down it. Multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. Because you know 0 का बेटा multiplicative inverse होता है ना 1 over 0. It is not defined. So its multiplicative inverse does not exist. Sixth sum is add minus 2 over 5 and its multiplicative inverse. First of all, we will calculate the multiplicative inverse of minus 2 over 5, which is 5 over minus 2, or you can write this minus 5 over 2. Now I have to add it. According to the statement, we have to add minus 2 over 5 plus its multiplicative inverse, which is minus 5 over 2. Plus minus is minus. Now you know how to add or subtract the two numbers. Take the LCM of 5 and 2, which is 10. 10 divided by 5, we will get 2 multiplied by minus 2, minus 4. When 10 divided by 2, we will get 5. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Now minus minus plus 25 and 4, it is 29 over 10. Put the sign of minus in front of it.